Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now by making sure your Vivo Y22 is unlocked and has more than 20% battery. This avoids interruptions. Open Settings and go straight to Display and Brightness or Home Screen options, because some builds move calling screen options there. Once you find Phone or Calling settings, tap it to reveal the available themes and layouts. You do this first to get to the control panel that lets you change incoming call visuals, which is necessary before selecting any new style. Now you'll pick a style. Tap Incoming Call Style to see presets like Full Screen, Banner, or Custom. Preview each option so you know how an actual call will look, and choose Full Screen for bold visuals or Banner for minimal interruptions. Once selected, tap Customize to change background image, contact photo behavior, or color accents. This is where you make it yours. Make sure to save or apply the change so incoming calls use the new layout immediately, rather than reverting to the finish by saving and applying your settings, then perform a test call so you can see the result in action. If the new calling screen doesn't appear, reboot the phone and confirm phone app permissions and default app settings. Sometimes the system blocks custom visuals. If it still fails, reset calling screen settings or check for a system update, because firmware mismatches can prevent themes from applying. One quick troubleshooting tip: clear phone app cache before retrying to apply changes.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.